Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to make probably what will be my final attempt at defining self-care and what it truly is, so that we can all be on the same page and use this as a very solid, stable base to move off of when we think of self-care. I've come to the conclusion, very simply, that self-care is the restoration of human potential. That's it. That's the definition. Uh, it leads to more questions, as you can tell. What is human potential? What is going against human potential? Are we living it now? Are we not living it now? But regardless, that is the definition, and it will stand the test of time, as it has no particular kind of affinity to anything other than itself in that definition. Thank you very much.